This is a vestibular obstacle course specially designed for vestibular sensory input. Such kind of arrangement provides various movements like jumping, kneeling, sliding, walking, climbing up and down, sitting, standing, etc. All these kind of movements provide heavy joint pressure, joint compression, balancing and many more. This gives a very wide variety of vestibular sensory inputs, thus improves balance and coordination of body in space. According to the requirement and capability, इसमें बहुत सारे changes किए जा सकते हैं या फिर customized obstacle course भी create कर सकते हैं। ऐसा करना इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि we all know कि हर बच्चा different होता है और उसकी requirement भी different होती है। Balancing and walking on pattern beam. These activities provide sensory feedback of body with respect to space. So, develops the capability to balance while walking on narrow path and in different direction. अगर इसमें टारगेट ओरिएंटेड टास्क दे दिया जाए तो इससे इमोशनल पॉजिटिव फीडबैक भी मिलता है। टारगेट अचीव करने पर बच्चे की कॉन्फिडेंस एंड सेल्फ एस्टीम दोनों का लेवल बूस्टअप होता है। Slides help in providing various sensory input and teaches how to integrate them. While climbing the stairs, it provides joint sense to develop coordination and improve strength in arms and legs. While sliding down, vestibular system gets involved a lot in helping to cope up with gravitational insecurity. स्लाइड्स में वेरिएशन भी किया जा सकता है जैसे यहाँ किया गया है। इसमें सरफेस और टेक्सचर दोनों में डिफरेंस आया है जो अदर सेंसेस को भी इम्प्रूव करता है। And yes, don't forget to appreciate the child after finishing the activity. Walking is a very important aspect which requires the balance and awareness of body in space. Treadmill walking provides such feedback in a controlled environment so as to train the vestibular system of child. Walking हम घर के बाहर भी करवा सकते हैं, बट एज वी नो कि अभी का सिचुएशन ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बच्चे को या अपने आप को भी बाहर जाने का रिस्क लेके वॉकिंग करवाएं, सो इट्स बेटर टू डू इट ऑन ट्रेडमिल. ट्रेडमिल का एक और बेनिफिट ये भी है कि हम वॉकिंग के स्पीड को मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हैं. Standing on ball provides vestibular input to balance the body on an uneven surface. Apart from it, catching and releasing any object or doing any other activity gets the body moving in space, so the sensory challenge gets enhanced as well as the child's improvement. We all are familiar with seesaw games from our childhood days. But have we thought about seesaw as sensory inputs? I don't think so. Seesaw games provides alternate up and down movement in space. It also gives repetitive motion to our body. So it activates the vestibular system as well as provides calming effect. The activity containing such pendular movement are very helpful in gravitational insecurity. While doing the movement, child's feet touches the ground in a rhythmic movement. So it reduces the fear of child, as well as it provides movement in space to balance vestibular system. Catching and throwing ball while sitting in a lycra swing provides vestibular input in a secure environment. The swing itself envelops the child and ground is not very far from feet. So the feeling of insecurity reduces, allowing the child to involve in the movement. Standing and moving a bolster require a lot of balance. This activity can be given to take a child's balancing capability to a next level. Doing any activity like this in this posture provides heavy joint pressure, thus integrate the vestibular input with other sensory inputs. Climbing the rope ladder provides a pseudo platform to place feet, but its moving nature provides vestibular senses to accommodate with the movement in space. इसे एक कॉम्पिटिटिव गेम या दूसरे गेम के साथ भी कंबाइन किया जा सकता है, जिससे मल्टीफैक्टोरियल इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है.
Yes. Good job. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Ravi says here. Go up. Go up. Yes. Very good. Go up. Yes. Go up. This one up. Yes. Go up. One chance more, then finish. Go up. Yes. Down. Very good. Down. Very good. Very good. Down. Very good. Good job. Good job. Good. Yes.
Balancing
Jump.
on pillows while walking and jumping
Jump.
gives inputs on uneven surface, thus provides vestibular sensory input to the child.
Jump.
Such kind of activity also provides
Move.
body awareness in space
Jump.
while holding a particular position when the child is instructed to hold the position.
Freeze.
Apart from vestibular input, it
Jump.
also provides rich tactile inputs if the surface texture of each
Jump.
pillow is made different.
Jump. Very good. Jump.
Jumping on
Jump.
trampoline gives an anti-gravity movement along with speed, thus providing vestibular input to satisfy child's
Jump
need.
and jumping jack like
It
this.
gives a sense of personal space and freedom to move in that space.
Jump.
जंपिंग स्पीड हाइट एंड पोस्चर को भी
yes.
चेंज किया जा सकता है,
Jump.
जिससे बॉडी अवेयरनेस एंड स्पेस ओरिएंटेशन भी इम्प्रूव होता है.
Very good. Jump.
Such
Jump like
activity also have calming effect on angry and restless
Jump.
child.
Jump. Jump. Yes. Jump and catch the ball. Go back. Go back. Yes.
अगर इस
Jump.
एक्टिविटी में कोई गेम
Catch the
या
ball.
फिर और भी
Jump
दूसरी कोई
and
एक्टिविटी
throw
इंक्लूड की
the
जाए
ball.
तो इससे बच्चे का
Jump and
इंटरेस्ट
catch the
लेवल
ball.
काफी बढ़ जाता है.
Throw.
और कोई भी दूसरी थेरेपी शुरू करने के
Jump
पहले
and catch
एक
the ball.
पॉजिटिव फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड
Yes.
प्रोवाइड होता
Jump
है,
and
जिससे
throw
कि
the ball.
बच्चा इजीली कर पाए.
Yes. Jump. Catch the ball and throw the ball. Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.